Welcome back to Quiz Cognito. Today's grade 6 mathematics quiz is all about mastering addition. We've lined up 50 thought-provoking questions to stretch your mind. Make sure you stick around until the end for the final challenge that will put your math mastery to the test. Huge thanks to our amazing viewers for all the support. Your comments and encouragement keep us going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss more fun and interactive math quizzes. Let's get started. Let's start simple. What's 6 plus 4? The correct answer is option C. That's 10. Add 9 to 7. Can you work it out? Option C is right. You get 16. 5 increased by 8 equals... The right choice is B. It makes 13. If you put 12 and 6 together, what's the total? Go with option A. It comes to 18. Half plus half gives you... Option B is correct. The result is 1. Find the value of angle theta between the tangent DE and chord AB. One quarter joined with 3/4 equals... Option B again. That makes 1. 10 combined with 15 makes what number? The right answer is B. That's 25. Add 20 and 30. What do you arrive at? Correct choice is C. It equals 50. What comes next in the sequence? .3 plus 0.4 equals... Option B is correct. That comes to 0.7. 1/3 together with 2/3 makes... Option A is right. You get exactly 1. The total of 25 and 14 is... Go with option B. That's 39. 18.5 added to 1.5 equals... The answer is option A. It makes 20. 2.5 joined with 1.5 comes to... Option B is correct. The result is 4. A cuboid has a total volume of 2,000 cubic centimeters and a base area of 100 square centimeters. What is its height? .2 added to 2.8 gives... Option B is right. You get 10. What's 46 added to 27? The The answer is B. That equals 73. What is the area of a triangle? (63 plus 29 totals). Option B is correct. It comes to 92. 1.5 plus 2.5 works out to... Option B is right. That makes 4. A train travels 1,260 kilometers in 14 hours. What is its speed in kilometers per hour? (3.5) added to 2.5 is... The correct choice is B. The answer is 6. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals exactly. Option A is correct, and that's 1. 0.25 with 0.75 equals... Option A again. The total is 1. The perimeter of a rectangular garden is 60 meters. If the length is 20 meters, what is the width? (72) combined with 48 makes... Option C is correct. You get 120. Add 135 and 97. Go with option C. That's 232. 2 3/4 plus 1 and 1/4 equals... Option B is right. It comes to 4. The sum of 1.2 and 3.8 is... Correct choice is C. That equals 5. 146 together with 128 gives... Option C is correct. That makes 274. Add 189 and 215. The answer is C. You get 404. 236 plus 158 equals... Option A is right. The total is 394. 5.5 with 4.5 comes to... Option B is correct. That makes 10. 2 1/3 joined with 1 and 2/3 makes... The right choice is B. That's 4. 0.6 plus 0.4 equals... Option A is correct. The result is 1. What do you get when you add 312 and 249? Option C is right. That's 561. 478 plus 326 equals... Option B is correct. You get 804. 5 3/4 together with 1 1/4 makes... The right answer is B. That totals 7. 2.25 added to 3.75 equals. Option B is correct. That makes 6. 942 plus 358 totals. Option B again. You get 1,300. 1,250 plus 375 gives... Option B is correct. The answer is 1,625. 1 1/5 plus 3 4/5 equals... Option A is right. The result is 5. 3/4 combined with 1 1/4 makes... Option A again, that's 2. 1,486 added to 927 totals. Option B is correct. You get 2,413. 214 plus 175 equals... The right choice is B. That's 389. 321 with 478 gives... Option B is correct. You get 799. 456 plus 239 totals. Option C is right. That equals 695. 9.5 together with 0.5 makes... Option B is correct. That's 10. 523 plus 467 equals... Option B again. The total is 990. 64.5 added to 7.5 equals... Option B is correct. You get 72. 1 1/2 plus 2 1/4 comes to... Option C is right. The answer is 4. 75 and 86 combined equal... Option B is correct. That makes 161. 89 added to 101 gives... Option B is right. The result is 190. 1/4 plus 3/4 totals... Option B again, that equals 1. 2 2/3 together with 3 1/3 equals... Option C is correct. You get 6. If you enjoyed the challenge, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll never miss more fun and interactive quizzes from Quizcognito. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next math adventure.